Namaste everyone. Mahati Wellness welcomes you to this series on Maharishi Patanjali's Yoga Sutras. Today we are going to explore Sutra 1.10 from the chapter 1 Samadhi Path. The sutra goes like this: Abhav Pratyaya Alambana Vritti Nidra. Meaning, sleep or Nidra is a vritti which is based on the experience of absence of any other content in the mind. Maharishi Patanjali here describes the fourth type of vritti, mental modification, that is nidra or sleep. Here, abhav pratyaya means the cognition of absence, and alambana means the object or support of that cognition. So, nidra vritti is a mental state where there is no object, no thought, yet the mind is active in a subtle way. Sage Vyas explains that even though there is no external perception in deep sleep, still the mind holds impressions of experiences. That means Nidra is also a vritti, a subtle movement that leaves impressions or samskara of rest or dullness. Think of Nidra as a screen turned off but still connected to power. So while the display, that is thoughts, disappear, but still the mind, that is system, continues to exist in potential form. In deep sleep, tamas guna dominates, which is inertia. So awareness gets covered by dullness. So even though the mind is quiet, but it is still not the silence of yoga. It is the silence of ignorance, avidya. Maharishi Patanjali includes this vritti not casually. Actually, if you see, almost one third of our life passes in sleep. Hence, the quality of this vritti profoundly impacts our sadhana. So, deep sattvic sleep restores the system, improves focus, while disturbed or tamasic sleep increases heaviness, distraction. Maharishi Patanjali includes Nidra among five vrittis to emphasize that absence of thought in sleep is not the same as mastery of mind. For example, if we could combine awareness with rest, as in Yoga Nidra, that would transform unconscious rest into conscious rejuvenation. Reflect. Can I notice the difference between true rest and dullness? What it would mean to make even the sleep as a sacred act. Rest with awareness rather than unconscious escape. So, the essence of Sutra 1.10 is Nidra is also a vritti, a mental modification, which is based on the experience of absence. In sleep, the mind rests in unconscious stillness, while in yoga, it rests in conscious awareness. So, this was about Sutra 1.10. We will meet in our next episode with next sutra. Till then, namaste.